Hey, Chris Guthrie here from MakeMoneyOnTheInternet.com. This is my first video since coming back from Blog World, which was a blast. You should check out my blog post about it. Anyways, I'm here because I want to tell you about membership sites, and specifically the software that I use to set them up. I've had a lot of readers send in emails to me, asking me questions, and then I've even had a few customers of my own products ask me as well because they were impressed with the way I had everything organized. So I actually spent a lot of time trying to figure out exactly what would work best. So hopefully this will help you save time in terms of what you spend trying to figure out what you can do to do your own product. So the other thing to remember too is that the software that I use isn't just only for monthly paid membership sites. I actually use all of the software just for one-time fees. So I'm going to show you right now on the computer what I'm using and a little bit of the back end of what it looks like for one of my membership setups. So watch it.
Alright, so here is an example of one of the products that I have right now. It's BecomeAProGamer.com, and it's a training course designed to help people improve their Halo skills. Anyone that's been reading my blog for any time knows that I've been playing Halo for a long time, and I've also played on the professional level and everything else like that, like coached a team and done Halo lessons. So I figured this would be a nice niche to try out, make a product, and then sell it. So I'm selling it for $37, had a few sales so far, and I'm in the process of finding more ways to market it. In fact, if you are a PPC marketer or anyone else that has a video game website, you should go to the affiliate section here and promote it as well, because in that way we can both make some money. Anyways, I'm using WordPress because it's a free platform, and then there's a huge array of third-party support, like the Squeeze theme here, and also just plugins. So what I like to use is Wishlist Member. So Wishlist Member, you can just simply add in this little tag here, is member, and then close it at the bottom, and no one that hasn't registered through your pre-set up sales process will be able to view the content. And the one thing you have to watch out for, though, is that if you just directly set up a video, people actually could share the link to where that video is, and people could be stealing your bandwidth and then getting access to your video training for free. So I use a plugin called S3 Flow Shield, and what this does is help prevent people from being able to access the video, because it's all based on dynamic created URLs. So every 60 seconds the URLs to the videos expire. So basically people can't share them with other non-paying customers. And as much as I like to believe that people are all nice and happy to pay for their content, that's definitely not the case, and people will gladly steal what you create. So if you want to protect yourself, this plugin is great, and I've been using it on several of my courses now. And it just looks like this when you set up a video. You just basically put in the name of the video and then the bucket. That simple. And then using Squeeze theme, this is kind of what everything looks like on the inside. It's pretty simple to set up here. In the post, you just create a simple blog post, and then you can mention, obviously you want to make sure it's protected. But here you can see I have introduction, then all these different types of sections where I talk about content. And in addition to that, I mentioned the affiliates earlier, but if you actually went to the affiliate section, here you have, this is powered by Easy ClickMate. This is another software that I use, and with ClickBank, when you're using ClickBank for your affiliate or for selling your product, it's always kind of tough to see where the sales come from. But if you use a third-party affiliate program like this, then when someone signs up, I get a notification that they've been in the affiliate program, and then what I can do as well is see how often and how much they're selling it. And if they're selling a lot, then I might be able to see if I can work with them on some other type of deal. So it's very simple, and everyone says the money is in the list, and I agree. And I also would add the money is also in the affiliate list, because if you have a lot of affiliates, then it can help promote your product really well that way. So those are pretty much the plugins that I use. I mean, ClickBank, you pay $47 for a vendor activation fee, and then or I think it's $49. Yeah, $49, and then it's $29 for the next one. So it's really not that expensive. In fact, everything here that I paid for was around $500, but most importantly, it is one-time payment. So there are other solutions out on the internet, like Kajabi, for example, that require you to pay monthly, and I just don't think that's worth it, because here with this solution, I control my customer contacts, all the data is hosted on my server. I have, everything's under my own control, and it's just safer to run your business like that, especially when you don't have to rely on someone else's data centers to hold your stuff up. There are other types of program like Amember that help do memberships, but Wishlist was just one of the best ones that I'd heard of, so I use them, and I really like it. There's tons of options in here that you can use. So that's my solution. Feel free to post any questions inside the video section here on YouTube or just on my blog post. Once again, Chris Guthrie here from MakeMoneyOnTheInternet.com. Thanks again for watching.